Navin. I'm Navin D'souza. I've been in this finance industry for over 20 years now. I am a banker and an exchange professional. So I've been working prior to with Dubai Financial Markets. I used to head their risk management. I've spent over 20 years with Dubai Gold and Commodity Exchange and also work with Deutsche and National Stock Exchange of India. Came up with this concept of digital gold. So we set up a company called ComTech Gold. The idea about the company was to make investment in gold very easy. So we have, the concept is digitalization of gold. So we have created a stablecoin on gold. Each and every coin of gold is backed by 100% pure physical gold, which is backed by standardized 1 kg bar of 49 purity and by international standards, accepted bars globally. These bars are stored with transguard, which is part of the Emirates group out in the UAE. And we have a complete audit of all the tokens which are issued and the backing of the physical gold. So currently we are listed with Bitrue Exchange. We are in the process of listing with other global exchanges like Bitrue, Qcoin, Gate in a couple of months. So anybody who wants to take exposure on gold can do it through our token, 100% back. So that was the whole idea about making it easier for people to invest in gold. So in the UAE market, there's a lot of digitalization of things which are going on kind of thing. So people are trying to move away from physical assets to digital technology. Everybody wants everything on their wallets. Nobody wants to go to a broker. Everything has to be a quick 5 minutes thing kind of thing. So that's where we see ComTech Gold adding value. So we could see all this digitalization in securities market, bonds and the others. So we wanted to introduce the commodities market, and what best other than gold. So it's considered as a safe haven. And in this rising time of inflation and everything, a lot of people are trying to take an exposure on gold. So that's why we are providing a solution which is 100% backed. The event is good. We saw a lot of variety of different market participants, right from payment option people. You had a lot of investment venture capital people. We had a lot of exchanges coming in, and a lot of infrastructure provision companies kind of thing. So it's got a variety of this thing. The agenda is good. So that's why it's one of very few conferences where I've seen the actual conference being completely full. So which itself is a good thing, that there's a lot of insight happening onto the event itself. So the quality of delegates are something who's actually interested in this industry, want to get something take away from various sponsors, various booths and the others, so that it's about learning and trying to see how can you build the whole network. What we have observed over here is, as you rightly said, it's an emerging thing which is happening on the digitalization. So you have a lot of use concepts which people have just started building, and they're trying to see how can they merge the building blocks. So it's a very interesting event and very thoughtful for us. It was well organized. So we were one of the last minute entries for the event, but we were very surprised the way it was all managed. And within the last couple of days, everything was sorted out. We had constant interactions with the team, where the team is to constantly interact with our sales and the marketing team and support us on the booth and the other things kind of thing. So it was a very well supported event.